Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the AutoSum function in Excel and how to correctly use it. So some don't know how to use it. Some will maybe highlight this data like this and say AutoSum, and you see this one sums downwards. So how do you use AutoSum to get the values on this column? Okay, so this is what I'll be going to show you on this video. So to correctly use this AutoSum, the best thing we can do is to first confirm how the values that we get here when we use the normal way of summing. Let's type here manual sum. By manual sum, I mean we are typing the equal sign and finding the we are finding the values manually. So I will come here and use the equal sum function and open the brackets, and I highlight these cells. These are the cells that I want to find the sum for. So, and I press enter, and then I drag down. So that is how we use the sum function manually. But now there is what we call the AutoSum, this one here. This is the one that you use it and you get your values automatically. So to achieve this, how do we do this? We highlight where we want the values to come, where we want the total values to be. So I want the total values to be on these cells. So I will highlight those cells, and then I'll come on it and click this one. I'll just click on it like that. Click it on it, and as you can see, all the sums have been found automatically. So when doing this, never highlight the values first, because when you highlight the values first, let's do it practically. When you highlight these values practically first, like this. Okay, let me first go back so that we can get my point. So I will when you highlight these ones first, like this, and you click on the AutoSum, it won't sum it to the total marks. It will sum it downwards, like here. So you'll get the sum here. This is the sum here downwards. But that is not what we want. We want the values to be on this total marks column. So I will highlight the total marks cells the way I want the total marks to be, and I just click on AutoSum. Like that, and that you have values, and if you, as you confirm from the manual sum, they are the same. This means that our formula was correct. Yeah, so please subscribe to the channel, like and the video, and share. See you soon. Thank you.